Curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the Ford F-150, 1997 to 1998? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you easily locate and understand every fuse. Instrument panel fuse box. The instrument panel fuse box in the 1997 to 1998 Ford F-150 is located below and to the left of the steering wheel near the brake pedal. It houses fuses for interior electrical components like the radio, dome light, and power windows. The panel has a diagram for fuse identification and amperage ratings. Power distribution fuse box. The power distribution fuse box in the 1997 to 1998 Ford F-150 is located in the engine compartment near the battery. It protects high current circuits like the ignition, fuel pump, ABS, and cooling fans. The box contains larger fuses and relays and features a label cover for easy identification. It's designed for quick troubleshooting and heavy-duty protection. Primary battery fuse box. The primary battery fuse box in the 1997 to 1998 Ford F-150 is near the battery and protects big parts like the alternator and starter. It uses strong fuses made for very high power. Engine minifuse panel fuse box. The engine minifuse panel in the 1997 to 1998 Ford F-150 holds small fuses for engine-related parts like sensors and controls. It's a compact box placed in the engine bay. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, Avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.